Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we will focus on replacing the battery in your Razer RZ09-0367. Before we dive into the process, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a clean workspace. Make sure to power off your laptop and unplug it from any power source. Start by flipping the laptop over. Remove the screws located at the back panel. There are typically 5 to 6 screws. Keep them organized so you can easily reassemble later. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get professional help without any hassle. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back panel. Be careful not to use excessive force to avoid damaging any clips. As you remove the panel, take a moment to clean any dust or debris you might find inside. This is a good opportunity to ensure your laptop runs efficiently. Next, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component, secured by a couple of screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. After that, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Make sure to do this gently to avoid any damage to the connectors. Now, take your new compatible battery and position it correctly. Connect the battery cable back to the motherboard, ensuring a snug fit. If you prefer to avoid this process altogether, we can provide a professional diagnosis without obligation to determine if a battery replacement is indeed necessary. Once the new battery is connected, secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. It's important to ensure everything is tight but not overly so, as this could damage the battery or motherboard. After securing the battery, it's time to replace the back panel. Align the panel correctly and press it down gently. Reinsert the screws to secure the panel back in place. If you're unsure about any steps, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision about your options. Finally, turn your laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on. Check if the battery is recognized and functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, we offer no calls, no travel service options to make your repair as convenient as possible. This way, you can focus on your work without the stress of logistics. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Razer RZ09-0367. Remember, maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your devices. Keep your laptop clean and consider professional services for any future repairs. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.